Good morning, guys. Just finished my class again. Like I said the other day, I work online. I teach Chinese English. So every day usually starts with 1 or 2 lessons. Sometimes I have 4 lessons. It changes. So just finished teaching for today. Now about to make breakfast. I've been so excited for breakfast all week. It's pancakes with peanut butter and jam. Yay! So we don't actually have a lot of flour. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try and grind my oats and make oatmeal, like actual oat flour. So this is the first time I'm doing it. Let's see if it works. Wow, it goes really fine. Yay! Wow, it seems to have worked really well. And since I don't have eggs, I have read that you can use a teaspoon of flax seeds. Google is amazing. I have my spoon of flax seeds and adding some water. I'm not sure how much water. I guess like that should be fine. This is so cool. It looks like real flour. So now I'm not really sure of the ratio between the oat flour to milk. This is half a cup of flour, so I'm gonna see what it looks like if I put in a full cup, which is half water and half milk. And I still have some of my neighbor's sugar. Thanks, Anjali. This is the part where I would put in the egg, but since we don't have eggs, let's see if my mixture looks kind of like jelly. Oh. So I have to say I have my doubts about the ratio and the mixture. It seems a little watery. This is my current mixed pancake batter. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. First pancake is cooking. Oh, so it's not the biggest success. Let me show you. It broke while I was flipping it. Okay, so that was pancake attempt number 1. So this is my next strategy, to try baby ones. Yay, this strategy seems to be working. The smaller, what we would call crumpets. So this is my tiny little pancake. Slowly they're improving. Wow, I just flipped them and they're perfect. And this is the yummy, yummy topping that I have bought. Look, it's a mixture of peanut butter and jam. Yee. Now it's time for our peanut butter and jam to go on our miniature pancakes. So it took me over an hour to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we ate maybe about 5 pancakes. That is too long for like 13 pancakes. Oh, we have such good friends. They went out and they bought us some spices and tea and an entire pyramid of paneer. Thank you so much. It's time for handstands. Really determined to do a long standing handstand by the end of the 21-day isolation. Let's see if today is better than yesterday. I should first maybe focus on my balance by doing a headstand, and then after that work on my arm strength so that I can do a handstand for longer. Yesterday I saw someone messaged about calisthenics, which is so cool. Someone knows about it. If you have any tips, I'm open to it. Suggestions, help me. balance. Okay, last session of handstand. it for today. Let's see how it goes tomorrow.